Share with you.
Need another bonus on Saltar. Here we go. $9 bet. 10x. Come on, light it up. Oh, wasted 10x. $18. One more. Make it count. Times 3, $30. That's a $48 win on that bonus. Wow. Ooh, wasted. Okay, we'll be back if we get more.
Zoltar sees great luck in your future.
3 free spins. Times 4, 4x. Line it up. Alright. Times 6. $24 on that line hit. 2 more games. Times 2. Bar. Yes. Another 6. One more spin. 5x, make it count. 9 data. Oh, right in the middle. Oh, yeah, got it, got it. $100. Yes. $100 on this bonus. Nice. 130 actually for the whole bonus. Yes, ticket went up to 303. We'll be back. Oh, let's see. How many more spin would you like to do?
No backup spin.
No more backup spin for this kind of game. Alright guys, cashing out $303. Sprint and sprint. See you guys on the next one.